In today's video, I'll teach you how to watch ReelShort series. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon ReelShort application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Creating the account on ReelShort is very simple. Make sure to create the account and make sure you're logged into your account. ReelShort does not allow you to record the home interface, but in this interface, you'll be able to find various movies and series. Also, you'll be able to search for it by the categories. You'll be able to find the options like popular, new, ranking, Asian, movies, TV series, etc. Simply tap on the category of your choice. Also, you can search for it. At the top of your screen, you'll also be able to find the search bar. You can tap on it and search for the series that you would like to watch. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to find the series. What you have to do is simply tap on the series that you want to watch. Some of the series are free, but some of them are not. So simply tap on the series that you would like to watch. Now, after you do that, that particular series will be opened and you'll be able to watch it. You'll also be able to find the options for saving and liking it. Also, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see next episode. So like this, you'll be able to watch it. So that is how you watch ReelShort series. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.